This is the first term, this is the first, this is the second, and this is the third. This is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth, this is the fourth, this is the last, the fifth. Okay, so the answer is the third term is bx squared. Okay, if they ask you for the second terms, it means this is negative 20x cubed. Yeah, if they ask you for the second terms, it's negative 20x cubed. Okay, and for the third term is positive x squared. So the answer is B. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Now let us see question number 2. The simplest form of the algebraic equation. Okay, let's try to make it simpler by combining all those like terms. Okay, let's start. Here we have xy squared, and then here we have xy squared. So, do we have the other? I don't think so. Yep. Okay, so this is 3, this is positive 1. So, finally we have 4 xy squared. And then this one, 2x squared y plus 5x squared y. So, 7x squared y. And the last is this is minus xy, this is plus 4xy. So, the remaining is positive xy. So, the answer is 4xy squared, 3xy, 7xy, 7x squared y. Oh, the answer is A. Okay. If you wanna make it simpler, so you're gonna try to combine all those like terms. Now let's move on to the next question. Just keep it. Let's move on to the question number 4. The result of factorization from algebraic expression. Okay, according to this question, you have to find out all the same factors between 16, 4, and 12. So the biggest one is 4. So the answer is make it 4 outside the brackets. And here we have to get positive 16x. So we are gonna put 4x inside the brackets, and then to get minus 4y, it's supposed to be minus 1y. And the last is plus 3z. Okay, so the answer is 4 times 4x minus y plus 3z. So the answer is C. Okay, 3x minus x, so equals 4x. Okay, and plus 5y minus 12y equals to minus 7y. And minus 2 plus 8 equals to plus 6z. Okay, so the answer is A. Okay. The question is the constant of. Do you know the meaning of the constant? It means no variable. So according to this question, it's so easy to solve this problem. So the answer is negative 20. So the answer is A. Okay. Now let's take a look to the next question. I don't think that number 7 is related to our topic today, so just skip it. And this is number 8. Okay. For number 8, if x equals to negative 4, then the value of, okay, let's try to replace all the variable of x into negative 4. So here we have 3 times negative 4 squared plus negative 2 times negative 4 minus 28. And here we have 3 times 16 because the square of negative 4. And then negative 2 times negative 4 equals to positive 8 negative 20. So here we have 48 plus 8 negative 28. So equals to 28. Am I correct? 48 minus 28 equals to 20. 20 plus 8. So the answer is 28. Okay, that's the answer. C. The result of blah 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 blah, the value of. Okay, let's start to change all the algebraic expression into this kind of form, px plus q. Okay, let's start 3x plus 4, and then we can do the distributive law. Negative 2 times negative 2x becomes positive 4x, and then negative 2 times negative 3 become plus 6, and then we can make it simpler by combining all those like terms. So here we have 7x plus 10, and it means equals to px plus q. That's why, okay, 7x equals to px equals to 7x, then p equals to 7, and then here we have q equals to 10. So the question is find the value of p minus 2q. So equals to 7 minus 2 times 10 equals 7 minus 20. So the answer is negative 13. Okay, the answer is A. The simplest form of algebraic operation, blah blah blah. Okay, it's so easy like the previous question. Let's try to do the distributive law. Here we have 2x times x equals to 2x squared plus 2x times 3y equals to 6xy minus 4y times 12. 2x equals to minus 8xy minus 4y times minus 3y equals to positive 12y squared. And we just can combine on this like term. So here we have 2x squared minus 2xy plus 12y squared. So the answer is B, if I'm not mistaken. Am I correct? Okay, yep, that's correct. Okay. The simplest form of blah 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 blah. How we're gonna make it into the simplest form? First, you're gonna change all the denominator into the same number or variable. Here we have x squared, and then x cubed. What is the biggest? The answer is x cubed. So you're gonna change all the denominators into x cubed. So here we have minus, plus, and then equals. Okay, so all of them will be x cubed, and then also x cubed. Now let's change 1 over x becomes something over x cubed. So the answer is x cubed divided by x equals to x squared. This one, x squared times 1 equals to x squared, and then x cubed divided by x squared equals to x times 2 equals to 2 x, and then here this is already x cubed, so this is still the same. So the final answer is x squared minus 2x plus 3 over x cubed. Okay, so which one is the correct answer? Yeah, B. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Number 12. Wait a minute. We're gonna prepare it for the pen. Number 12. Rectangle measured by x plus 11 centimeters length and x minus 7 centimeters width. The rectangle's area in x term is. Okay, it's so easy. Try to remember about the how to find the rectangle area. The formula is length times width. So which one is the length? So this is the length. So the answer is x plus 11 times the width x minus 7. Okay, do you remember? Okay, one by one, guys. Yeah, so x times x equals to x squared. X times minus 7 is minus 7x. 11 times x equals to plus 11x. 11 times minus 7 equals to minus 77. Okay, according to this, can we make it simpler? Yes, of course. Let's try to combine all those like terms. Here we have minus 7x plus 11x equals to plus 4x minus 77. So the answer is option C. Okay. Study the following statements. 53 is a prime number. 2010 is a leap year. The product of 4 and 7 is 28. 1 ton equals to 100 kilograms. This is wrong. It's supposed to be 1000 kilograms. So this is wrong. The product of 4 and 7 is 28 is correct. And actually, if statement number 3 is correct, so it's supposed to be statement number 1 also correct. Let's try it. Statement number 2, 2010 is a leap year. leap year, it means all the years that can be divided by 4. So let's try to divide it by 4. So the answer is 5, 20, but this one 10 cannot divide it by 4. So it means this is wrong. So the answer is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. The answer is B. Okay. Which one is an open sentence? An open sentence means there's a chance for those variable to replace it for any number to replace the variable value. Okay, let's see. 15 is a composite number. There is no chance for the other number. Just say it. This is true or false. So this is not the open sentences, and then this is also not the open sentences. This is not the open sentences. N is the multiple of this. So do you know the value of n? We don't know. So this is what we call the open sentences. So the answer is B. The solution of 2x plus 8 equals to 5x minus 13. Let's try to cancel negative 13 first. So we're going to make like this. 5x minus 13 plus 13. And then here we have 2x plus 8 negative, plus 13. So we can cancel this one. The remaining is 5x. And then here we have 2x plus 21. Then we're going to cancel 2x by adding negative 2x on both sides. So here we have negative 2x. So we can cancel this one. The remaining is 5 minus 2x equals to 3x. So x equals to 7. So the answer is A. Okay. The solutions of half x plus 2x equals to x minus 2 is this one, half x, this is x. So which one is the biggest? Yeah, the biggest is x. So we're going to cancel negative 2 first. So here we have half x plus 2 over 3 equals x minus 2 plus 2. And then don't forget to make plus 2 on both sides. So we can cancel it. So the remaining is x. And here we have half x plus 2 2/3. We can change it into improper fraction. 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So this is 8 over 3. Half x plus 8 over 3 equals to x. Now we're going to cancel half x by adding negative half x on both sides. So here we have half x plus 8 over 3 minus half x equals to x minus half x. Okay. Remember, if it's like this, the coefficient is 1, so 1 minus half equals to half. This is half x. And then here we have, just cancel it. So here we have 8 over 3. How we're going to find the value of x? Try to multiply both sides with 2 over 1. So here we have 1 over 2x times 2 over 1. 2 over 1. And then here we have 8 over 3 times 2 over 1. So the answer is x equals to 16 over 3. Okay, let's move to another space. So the answer is x equals to 16 over 3. So the answer is this one, A, if I'm not mistaken, yeah? If you don't mind, please check it again, the calculation, yeah? Now number 17, study the following statements. Which one are the open sentences? According to the statement that what I said to you before, so there's a chance for any number to replace the variable. According to that, A, we don't know the value of it, right? So this is open sentences. This is wrong. I mean, there is no chance for the other number to replace each of them, right? Y is a composite number. This is also open sentence. We don't know the value of y, right? And this is also still B and B. So this is also open sentences. So which one is correct? Number 1, 3, and 4. So the answer is C. Okay. Good. Now let us see next question. By the way, guys, I'm so sorry I make this video in the crowded place because after the church, I have to wait my daughters to. She has to join in the choir team to sing a song, so they have preparation for that. Now, let's continue to number 18. Given that half x equals to 20, the possible value of x is. So how we're gonna find the value of x? Multiply both sides with 2 over 1 times half x equals to 20 times 2 over 1. So this is, the remaining is x, but here we have 40, 20 times 2. So the answer is D. Okay. For number 19, the sum of two numbers is 55 and the difference is 15. The product of both numbers is, how we're gonna uh, solve this problem. The sum of two numbers is 55. Let's say second number, the second number is x. The sum of two numbers is 55. So we can say that the first number is 55 minus x. Am I correct, guys? Okay, and the difference is 15. The difference is 15. The difference, the meaning of the difference, it means the biggest number minus the smallest number. Let's say the second number is the smallest. This is the smallest, uh, smallest number. This is the smallest. This is the biggest. The biggest. Okay. Okay. So the difference is 15. So the first number, according to the difference, is x plus 15, because the first number minus the second number uh, equals to 15. So if you want to find the first number, it's supposed to be the second number plus 15. Okay, so according to that, this is the first number, this is also the first number, so we can make it both of them are the same. So let's construct the math equation like this. 55 minus x equals to x plus 15. Okay, and then which one is bigger? Yeah, it's up to you because both are the same. This is x, this is also x. Okay, now let's try to cancel from positive 15. So we're gonna add x positive 15 minus 15, and then don't forget to add negative 15 also on the left side. Okay, so we have here we have 40 minus x equals to x because we cancel those numbers, and then we're gonna cancel minus x by 40 minus x plus x, and then x we're gonna add also positive x. Then here we cancel it, then the remaining is 40 equals to 2x. So x equals to 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the answer is, wait a minute, the product of both numbers. The product means the multiplication between the first number and the second number. So let's find out the first number. This is the second number. This is the second number. And then to get the first number, this is, we can use it. So 20 plus 15. So the answer is 35. So the product is 35, this one 35 times 20. 35 times 20 equals to 700. So the answer is 700. Okay. Okay, I hope all of you can understand. The value of y from the equation. So please do the distributive law. 3 times 5y equals to 15y, plus 3 times 2 equals to 6 equals to 2 times 7 equals to 14y. 2 times negative 4, it becomes negative 8. And then we're going to cancel positive 6. 15y plus 6 minus 6 equals to 14y minus 8 minus 6. Then we cancel this one. The remaining is 15y equals to 14y minus 14. Then we're going to cancel 14y. So my 15y minus 14y equals to 14y minus 14y minus 14. So this is 15 minus 14 equals to y equals negative 14. So the answer is A. Okay. We can
Now let's take a look to number 22 using distributive law. So x times x squared plus 3x plus 2x plus 6 equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. Then we can make it simpler, x squared plus 3x plus 2x equals to 5x plus 6 equals to ax squared plus bx plus c. And according to that, so the value of a equals to 1, b equals to 5, and c equals to 6. But the question is the value of 2b minus 3c. So 2 times 5 minus 3 times 6, 10 minus 18 equals to negative 8. So the answer is D. Now number 23. If the sum of 3 consecutive odd numbers, the difference is 2. So we can make it if the first number is x, so x plus 2, x plus 4 equals to 33, and x plus x equals to 3x plus 6 equals to 33. Then we're gonna cancel 6 by adding negative 6 on both sides, and then the remaining is 3x equals to 27, and x equals to 9. But the question is find the product of the three numbers. So this is the first number, and the second number will be 11 because 9 plus 2, and the third is 11 plus 2, so equals to 13. So the product is the first numbers times the second number times the third number equals to 99 times 13 equals to 7, 8, and 12. So 1287. So the answer is B. Number 24. The rectangle length and its width have ratio of 3:2. First we can sketch it like this. Let's say the length is 3x because the ratio is 3:2 and the width is 2x. And according to the information, the perimeter is 70. So it means 2 times length plus 2 times width equals to 70. And here we have length is 3x, so 2 times 3x plus 2 times 2x equals to 70. 70 equals to 6x plus 4x. 70 equals to 10x, and x equals to 7 because both sides divided by 10. So the length is 3x, so 3 times 7 equals to 21, and width equals to 2x equals to 2 times 7 equals to 14. Then the area is length times width equals to 29 times 14. So the answer is 294 centimeters square.
The time limit for systematic assessment of mathematics is 120. The correct mathematical model is it's so easy, guys. You have to do it less than or equal to 120 minutes. This is the answer. Okay? Okay, now let's continue to number 6. A number is expressed in x. The maximum of the number is 10, the maximum number is 10, and the minimum is 5. The correct mathematical is it's so easy. The minimum is 5, so it's supposed to be less than or equal to, and then the biggest number is 10, so less than or equal to 10. So the answer is D. Okay, good. Next question. Given the inequality 5x plus 4 less than 14, x is integer. The solution set is, so we can cancel 4 by adding -4 on both sides, right? So this is, here we have 5x less than 10, 14 minus 4. Then we can divide both sides by 5, so equals to 10 divided by 5 equals to 2. So the answer is x less than 2. But remember, x is integer. It means negative, 0, and positive number. Less than 2, it's supposed to be 1, 0, -1, -2, and so on. Okay, so the answer is A. Given the inequality minus 3x plus 15 bigger than 6 for x is integers, the number line for solution set of that inequality is, it's so easy, -3x plus 15 bigger than 6. So we're going to cancel 15 first. So -3x plus 15 minus 15 bigger than 6 minus 15. And then here you have -3x bigger than 6 minus 15 equals to -9. Okay, now we're gonna cancel all the -3, yeah. So we're gonna multiply both sides with -1/3, yeah, -1/3. 1/3, it means if it's minus, remember that the sign supposed to be changed into, yeah, less than. Okay, and then this is also -1/3. Okay, this is 1/3. So here we have, we can cancel 3 and 3, minus times minus become 1, so the remaining is x less than, this is 3, so minus times minus become plus, so this is positive 3. So the answer is x less than 3. X less than 3 because this is integers, so this is start from 2, 1, and so on. So the answer is A. Okay, because the solution set of the inequality is 1. Okay, 2 times 3x equals to 6x plus 12 less than 4 times minus x minus 4x, 4 times minus 5 minus 20. Okay, now let's try to cancel 12 by adding -12 on both sides. So here we have 6x less than minus 4x minus 32. And we're going to cancel -4x by adding positive 4x less than minus 4x plus 4x -32. We can cancel it, and then this is become 10x less than -32. So x less than -32/10. We can make it simpler by dividing it by 2 equals to 5. This is 16. So the answer is -16/5. Okay, -16/5, we can change it into a mixed number, so becomes -3 1/5. Am I correct? This is 3 times 5, 15, plus 1, 16. So 16 divided by 5. So the answer is B. Okay, yeah, this is the answer. Now is the last number. Andy is 4x plus 5 years old and Benny is 3x plus 6 years old. If the sum of their age isn't more than, it means less than or equal to. So 4x plus 5 plus Benny's age, 3x plus 6 less than or equal to 67. Make it simpler by combining all those like terms. So this is 7x plus 11 less than or equals to 67. Then we're going to cancel 11 by adding -11 and then -11 on the right side. So here we have 7x less than or equal to 56, right? So x less than or equal to divided by 7, both sides equals to 8. So x less than or equal to 8. Wait a minute. Then the maximum age of Andy, x, yeah, Andy. Oh, so Andy equals to 4x plus 5. It means 4. This is the biggest number is 8. So according to this, the biggest number is 8. This is the biggest. Okay, so then we're gonna enter x equals to 8, yeah, to the equation, and then here we have 32 plus 5 equals to 37. So the maximum age of Andy is 37 years old. Okay, good job. Now, how we're gonna answer all essay for the math test? Let's see. Start from number 31. Given the algebraic expression is, determine the variable. Okay, according to this, we know that there are four terms. Wait a minute, yeah. This is the x squared minus 4xy plus 5x minus 8. So there are four terms. This is the first term, the second term, the third term, and the fourth. So there are four terms. Okay. Okay. The variable. Which one is the variable? The variable is x squared. This is for answering question A. The variable x squared and then xy and then x. And for question B, the coefficient. The coefficient of x squared, we're going to write it as like this. The coefficient of x squared is 1, of xy is negative 4. The coefficient of variable x equals to positive 5, or you can say 5. And then the last question, the constant. For question C, the constant is only negative 8. Okay. I hope you can understand. Yeah, it's so easy. Given that P and Q, find the value of 2P minus Q. It means you're going to replace 2 times P. Don't forget, make the parentheses like this. And then minus Q. Sorry. Q. Let's enter the value of Q is 2x minus 3y plus 5. Okay. And don't forget, yeah, to make also parentheses at the back, yeah. So let's move on. Let's continue. 2 times 4x equals to 8x plus 16y minus 16 minus, this is minus times 2x equals minus x. We're gonna open the brackets. Minus times minus becomes plus 3y, minus times plus become minus 5. So the answer is 8x and minus 2x becomes 6x, and then 18y with 3y plus 21y minus 16 and minus 5 minus 21. Find the value of 2p minus e. So this is the final answer. Yeah, this is the end because we cannot combine it again because there's no more like terms. Yeah. Okay. Now find the solution of equation 2x plus 42. It's so easy. 2x plus 14 minus 14 equals to 42 minus 14. We can cancel this one. 2x equals 2. This is 8. 3 times 1 equals to 2. X equals to 4. So this is the answer. Okay, easy. Now let us continue for question number 34. Sandra will buy a rectangular land whose length is 3 meters more than its width. If the perimeter is 74 meters, find the correct mathematical model, its length and width, the area of the land. Okay, it's so easy, guys. Let's start from the width, yeah? Okay, let's say the width is x. Then the length rectangular length whose length is 3 meters more than. 3 meters more than, it means x plus 3. Okay, the correct mathematical model like this. And then they say the perimeter. Okay, the perimeter is 74 meters. Perimeter is 2 times length plus 2 times width equals to 74. So we're gonna enter 2 times length is x plus 3 plus 2 times width x equals to 74. So here we have uh, 2x plus 6 plus 2x equals to 74. Yeah, so this is the mathematical model. Actually, until right here you are correct, and then you can make it also open the brackets like this also correct. Yeah. Okay, now its length and width. So we're gonna find the value of x first. So we can make it 2x plus 2x equals to this is answer A, and then we're gonna try to answer question B. 2x plus 2x equals to 4x plus 6 equals to 74, and then we're gonna cancel 6. 4x plus 6 minus 6 equals to 74 minus 6. This is 4x equals to this is 8, 68. So x equals to 68 divided by 4, 128, 7. So the answer is 17. So the length is x plus 3. So 17 plus 3 equals to 20, and the width is x. So the answer is 17. The area means, wait a minute, we have no more space here. Wait a minute. The area, okay. So area equals to length times width, then length 20 times width 17. So the answer is 340 meters square. Meters square. This is the answer of final for the area. Okay. The length of the sides of a triangle are consecutive natural numbers. Consecutive natural numbers, it means, for example, yeah, this is the example. Start from 2. So for the next number is 3 and 4, because the difference is 1. Okay, natural numbers. Okay. The length of the side of a triangle are consecutive natural numbers. So for example, this is the scalene triangle. If it's x, it's supposed to be x plus 1. It's supposed to be x plus 2. So if it's x, this is x plus 1. This is x plus 2, because this is the longer side. Yeah. Okay. Then if the length of the shortest side is x, yeah, this is x, and its perimeter is at least 27 centimeters. So perimeter at least, so bigger than or equal to 27. So x plus 1, wait, plus x plus 2 bigger than or equal to 27. So this is x, and x, so equals to 3x plus 3 bigger than or equal to 27. So 3x plus 3 minus 3 bigger than or equal to 27 minus 3. We can cancel this one. 3x bigger than or equal to 24. Then x bigger than or equal to 8. X bigger than or equal to 8. Inequality. Find inequality of the problems above in x terms. So the answer is, this is the answer for question A, in question A. Only this one, yeah, until right here. Until right here, okay. And then the minimum length of the triangle sides. So because x bigger than or equal, so the minimum x equals to 8. This is the minimum. So this is 8, this is 9, and this is 10. The minimum length of the triangle is 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Okay, I think that's all for today. I hope all of you can understand. And don't forget to always practicing by doing some problems like this. So you're gonna improve your math skills. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.